Ever since I saw one of these type of vans up at Yellowstone, I fell in love with them. Taking it anywhere you want to go, and you've got your bathroom and your kitchen and a beautiful bed and everything else that you could possibly want, and just go off grid and still have the comforts of home. First year we sold 7 or 8. That was about 6 more than I thought I would sell. And then we doubled again the next year, and then working on doubling again this year. We can produce 2 vans a month, and we're able to produce a van for less than $100,000. You know, a lot of DIYers talk to me about building their own van. There's a learning curve that goes on. We've already made the mistakes, and we've improved and improved. And in the two and a half years that we've been doing this, we're approaching 33 vans that we've produced so far. We've learned what works, what doesn't work. And so when you're DIYing, you end up having to tear a lot of things out because you think, oh, I should have done this better, I should have done that. But oftentimes you realize that you've spent a lot more money than you would have spent otherwise. And if you come to us, we get to save you a number of steps, and you can actually do what you're supposed to do, which is getting out there camping. So it's oak, it's solid wood, there's no particle board, there's no glue that holds particle board together, because we think this should be something that lasts a lifetime. You have the benefit of experience building lots of vans and the price of something that you would almost do yourself. You know, if you get to the place where you're ready to start your next chapter, then just give me a call.